Welcome to 110 Windstone Drive. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, end unit townhome with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, as well as hardwood flooring throughout inside. It's located in the Windstone neighborhood in Harbison, Northwest Columbia. Just minutes to Harbison dining and shopping, as well as Harbison amenities and quick commute to downtown Columbia as well, also near Lake Murray. So we're out front. You can see you have a one-car garage off of the driveway. You have sidewalks in the neighborhood. The mailbox access is right over there. You can actually see them coming in right now. And then also a covered front porch here at the front of the unit. Some small landscaping out front as well. And then as you enter, you'll notice the hardwood flooring, and that's throughout the home, so downstairs and up the stairs as well. I believe there's some tile in the bathroom, and that's the only exception. So we're here in the foyer. You have a nice size foyer, nice ceiling height throughout the lower level as well. You have access to the 2-car garage this way. And give me just a second so we can get you some light in here. There we go. We'll still have to boost that up a bit. So you can see it's a 1-car garage. There's a medium or small size SUV parked inside right now to kind of give you an idea of scale. And then back inside, of course, access to the second level there via the stairs. But then off of the foyer and entry hall, you have a coat closet, as well as on the right side here before you get to the main living area, your half bathroom or powder room. So you have a commode in there sort of tucked beneath the stairs, and single pedestal sink on that side. And then the open living room and dining room area. So you can see, again, nice ceiling height. You have a ceiling fan right in the center there. You have a gas log fireplace. And the arched room opening going back out to the foyer. Nice sized living space with the window, and then you can see access to the dining room over here. And then also to the backyard. But first we'll take a look quickly at the kitchen, where you have stainless steel appliances. Again, that flooring continues. So you have a side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric range, and above range microwave. Solid surface countertops in here. And then out back, of course, access to the small backyard space. You have a small patio, and then some backyard area here. So it is open to the neighboring yards on the sides, but you do have a nice partition, and then kind of some plantings and another partition there. But you take advantage of some nice trees that are back there on the other side of the fence, at least at the time of this video. And before we leave the kitchen, before we forget, there's a nice pantry in here as well. This is sort of what that big center room is that you can see from the other side, but you have some nice built-ins in there, and then some nice track lighting out above the sink as well, and nice natural wood cabinets. So on to the second level. All 3 bedrooms are up here, as well as the laundry area. So again, those floors continue to the upstairs landing. And it's an attic pull down up here, and as we mentioned, the laundry closet off of the hallway. The master suite is towards the front. So as soon as you come in, you have the walk-in closet, which is a really nice size, sort of an L shape. You have a window in here for lots of natural light during the day. And then large master. You can easily get a king-size bed and whatever furniture you need to in here, or most furniture that you need to, depending on what you have. Full bathroom single sink and large countertop. You have some tile flooring in here, garden tub, and then a separate shower. And then you have your commode in the back corner. And then on the other end of the hall, here you have a linen closet. And then your 2 additional bedrooms and bath. So here's one of those 2 bedrooms here. Ceiling fan, some high chair rail molding in here. In the closet. And then you have your 3rd bedroom. Both of these are rear facing. This closet has some built-in organizing in there as well, that you can see. And then last but not least, the full bathroom. Apologize about the light. The floors are a little dark in here. And shower and tub. And this sort of a slightly garden tub, a little bit rounder, and then your single sink there. So that completes our tour of this home at 110 Windstone Drive in Columbia, in the Harbison area. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.